Hi all, welcome to Stories We Love. I'm Smriti and today I will be showing you 10 life-changing fashion hacks.
If you have a pair of jeans that is loose for you and you don't have a belt to go with it, take a printed scarf or a bandana and fold it in half this way. Start pleating it downwards like this. Take the bandana and pull it through the two loops of your jeans and tie the loose ends together. This also makes a really cute accessory for your jeans and amps your outfit up. What happens a lot is when you're wearing a belt on your pants, the end of your belt usually hangs loose and that just does not look cute. What you can do is take a rubber band, double it up and push it into your belt. That makes for an extra loop for the end to go in. If you have a piece of clothing, the zip of which is stuck or that just won't zip up, what you're gonna need is a wax candle. You want to take the candle and start rubbing it on the zip this way, and then it's just gonna easily glide up. Here's a hack on how you can amp up any plain outfit. What I'm taking here is a plain black tie and securing it around my waist as a belt using a safety pin. You can take any buckle, brooch or any accessory of your choice and attach it to the tie. And there you go, an easy way to amp your outfit up and make it fancy. Are you someone who owns a plain fitted black skirt and are bored of it? Here's how you can turn it around. Pull the skirt up and wear it like a bodycon dress. You can easily amp it up with any kind of shrug, throw over or cardigan to make it look fancier. If you're wearing a halter or a T-back top and you don't have a strapless or a racer back bra, here's what you can do. You want to take a safety pin and secure the two straps of your bra at the back this way. And there you go. We all are guilty of buying a pair of heels that were a little too tight for us, but we absolutely love them. Here's a hack on how you can loosen them and make them more comfortable. You want to take a pair of socks which are really tight and wear them on your feet. Wear your heels on top of that and take a blow dryer. Now start blow drying the areas that your shoes are tight at, and that will open them up and loosen them even more. If you're in a store trying to buy the right pair of jeans for yourself but can't try it, here's how you can get the right size. Take the waist of the jeans and wrap it around your neck. If the two ends overlap, it's too loose for you. If the ends don't meet, it's too tight. And if they meet perfectly, then it's the right fit for you. I'm sure we've all been in a place where we're getting ready and it's just super hard to put your bracelet on. Here's how you can do it easily. What you're gonna need is a plain paper clip. Put one end of the paper clip through the loop of the bracelet and hold the other end in your hand. Now you can easily secure the hook of it into the loop with your other hand. If you have a pair of pants or sweats that are too long or too loose for your legs, what you're gonna need is a rubber band. Take the rubber band and put them on your ankles. Then take the ends of your pants or sweats and start tucking them inside the rubber band. And there you go.
Hope you liked this video. Make sure to like and comment down below. Also, we have some amazing stuff coming your way from equally amazing girls. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and we'd love to have you as a part of our growing family. See you soon.